Salehe Bembury continues to redefine sneaker design with the New Balance 1000, set to release on August 22, 2025. First revealed during his Q+A series, the silhouette drops in two fearless versions that showcase his signature balance of craftsmanship, identity, and innovation. One pair highlights golden shaggy suede, lavender iridescent overlays, and his iconic fingerprint motif, while the other combines crackled blue leather, neon mesh, and forest green midsoles accented by chocolate heels. Both designs push the model beyond its traditional boundaries, blending earthy tones with vibrant contrasts to achieve a look that is equal parts functional and fashion-forward. Details like a paracord braid and checkered bootie lining add narrative richness and texture, hallmarks of Bembury's fearless storytelling. Marking another high point in his ongoing partnership with New Balance, the Salehe Bembury X New Balance 1000 is one of the most anticipated releases of the year.